know.
You should have come in before, it appears.
Well, I've been telling you, make an appointment, and you keep forgetting.
Did you have a hard time calling and getting through?
No, we just...
We've been busy.
Well, because our call center's difficult. They're just so overwhelmed. It's...
Oh.
Yeah, you go through a center, yeah, trying to get to the right doctor.
Right.
The right
Right,
place.
pew. Yeah, well, that's what happened when I canceled. When I was sick, I ended up, I don't know where I ended up, China or something. Probably not, but I ended up somewhere, you know, and it was like, holy cow, people. Yeah, that toenail really grows. I don't know what its problem is. Do you think make an appointment every 6 months?
You could do 6 months.
3 months is there's not enough nail. Oh, could you leave the toe? It grows crazy. The 3 months, they're not long enough. Maybe 6 months would be better.
Try it.
I'm glad there's no feeling in that toe, or there'd be. He's got it down to no toe. No nail. So it's never looked nice. What are you talking about? So how you been kind, sir?
Looking at feet all day. All right, let me see that one. Oh. Oh, you're the best. I'm glad you have a sense of humor.
Do what?
I'm glad you have a sense of humor.
Oh, we got it with you. Oh, I thought maybe you wanted to fit before my toes.
I told you, they're on the drying rack.
Okay.
They'll be ready in 6 months.
Oh, okay. Will I come back?
You can come
They'll be
back.
ready?
They'll be ready to go. What color toenail polish do you want on them?
Orange.
I'll have orange to match your shirt.